Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me this pretty clear image, but they want to remove the tree and just have the known. So I've already done it, and you can see it came out pretty good. So, and for the one I'm doing it for, I reduce it in size quite a bit. I'm going to go to Trace Bitmap, Outline Trace Clip Art. And then while it's doing it, I'm going to check Remove Color from Entire Image. So here now is our vector, and it's sharp as a tack. Now we just need to get rid of the tree. I'm going to left click, right click. Then you just kind of got to use your imagination. I do this with a 3-point curve line, even though I just really need a straight line right there. There's some part I might want a curved line like right here. So what I'm doing, as a matter of fact, I can just X that out right now. Get my 3-point curve line back. What I'm doing is just, no, I got to really watch what I'm doing. I want that, because I want that other part of the part that's going around in the little edge. So all I want to do is I'm going to go from like right here to right here. See, I'm putting a little bit of a curve. All I'm doing is stopping I normally would call it the smart field from leaking, but this isn't the case. I'm stopping when I cut it. So I'm stopping the leaks. Or I'm stopping the virtual segment delete key from going any further. It'll stop on my red line or okay, I made a mistake. I don't have a line right there. Right here. I don't have a line. Okay, I might have taken it away. Let me go forward. Yeah, I just didn't have a line right there. So you need to go everywhere there's a possible line that can, I call it leaking, but it's not leaking. It's stopping the virtual segment delete key from going in there. I did it again. There it is. No? Where's my double line? Okay. There it is right there. I don't even need that line. I need this line, and I need this line. I can actually take that line away because now that other line intersects it. Sorry for the confusion. I was trying to maybe go too fast. Now I lost his hat. No, I didn't. I lost his mustache. I inadvertently cut it. So we don't really have to remove this stuff that's on the outside, but I just feel better about doing it and do the inside. See, I'm going to use my new line. And if that's hard to get with the virtual segment delete key, use your shape tool. And see, that's a group of things, but what I can do is go here, go up to object, group, and ungroup. Then I could grab that and just grab those two nodes. It's the only one there. And then I'm going to virtually segment delete that. And I'm going to go ahead and delete my extra line. And then I'm going to take the Smart Fill tool, set it on black, get a spot. Look at that. And when you do that, it heals it. If you were going to cut this out, put red lines, and so his beard is pretty close. So what I'm going to do is take the shape tool and maybe take out these two nodes. And go like right here and give this a little bit more of a wisp. I'm going to take out a few extra nodes that are not needed. That's just kind of like a rough spot where it would be on your laser or printer. I don't know they didn't specify what they're doing. I just noticed, I just noticed I've taken off his arm. So that's cool within itself. So I apologize. One more time. I didn't realize that was his arm in the tree. That's pretty important. I'm going to go to, well, you know what? That's why I keep a copy. So I'm going to make another copy. I didn't see his arm. That'll be pretty easy. Remove from entire image. This maybe will even be easier. Left click, right click. I just got to remember that it's his arm. I didn't even thought it was part of the tree. Anyway, just real quick. His mustache is right there. We're going to go in and just go here because we can fix things later. And we're going to go just basically around his arm now. And we can fix stuff later. And remember, I'm using the 3-point curve line so I can curve that. Then go up here and take that away. And I'm going to go ahead and take all that away. And I don't have to go on the other side of the boot. See, this was actually maybe, well, I need to go right there. Actually easier. Then take your virtual segment delete key and see if this works. I went too fast. I'm glad I caught that, and the person would have thought it was funny that I deleted his arm. And see, I didn't really have to have that line. But then if you will take your Smart Fill tool and fill that in, and we can do a lot of tweaking now. Like right there, I don't like that little, whatever that is. Take the virtual segment delete key and just delete it. And because we've used the Smart Fill, now it's all one piece, and you can do anything you want to with it. And then if you want to fill it in with red, take away the outline. I'm glad I caught that. That's almost funny. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.